Here's the Nissan Kicks. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the hatch. Now we need to take out those two bolts. They are the ones that are holding the light in place. Those bolts are both 10mm. You'll need a 10mm wrench or a socket ratchet combination to get the bolts out. Let's go ahead and get them out. Right over there. So just push it and it'll pop right out. Those are the two pins, 1 and 2, they go right over there, and those two holes are where the bolts go on. That's the reverse light bulb right there. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and out it comes. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb size is 921. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Now let's get the new bulb and push it down to secure it. When you put the bulb holder back in, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in flush. Good. At this point, just twist your right to lock it in place and you're done. Position the light. Now we need to make sure that the pin goes in the hole there. Alright, that's good. Now let's make sure those two other holes with the bolts go on, they are aligned. Not yet. Give it a little bit more push. And that is good. The holes are lining up now. Let's go ahead and get the bolts and tighten them down one by one. The lights are moving, that's good, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.